You suck at sourcing. I talk to a lot of beginners, I talk to a lot of people in the community, and the most common problem that I see happening is that people just cannot find any profitable products. Also, softwares like Tactical Arbitrage are just way too expensive and they're really hard to learn. If we are being honest, you will need a couple months, a couple weeks at best to learn how to use this software. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I was starting again and I had no money to spend on paid software. How to actually find profitable online arbitrage products to sell on Amazon. You suck at sourcing because you don't know what promotion is going on at the moment. So you have no idea how you can reduce your cost to increase your profits. You need to be aware of sales cycles. If you are just reverse sourcing using SellerAmp, going from one website to the other to try to find products without ever looking at what coupon code you can get, what promotion is going on, what gift card you can apply, what cashback is going on. Is the cashback greater than usual? If you don't look at all those things, you are wasting your time. You need to go the extra mile to increase your profit margins. This will shield you from price tanker and increase your profit margin so you can put more money back into your business. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I build my daily target list every single morning before I start sourcing. This is what I do every day. I just add websites one after the other, all the deals I can find for the day. I find those deals by looking at my emails, my text messages. You want to subscribe to the newsletter of every online retailer you know to receive the latest deals. I also look at Rakuten, giftcardwiki.com to see whatever cashback I can find or whatever gift card is discounted more than usual, and also salesgazer.com, which is a website keeping all the promotional emails from a list of hundreds of retailers, which is great because sometimes emails get in your spam folder and you miss some things. I try to find all the small things that could give me an advantage and reduce my cost. What you want to do is sign up for all the email newsletter that you can. Same thing with SMS newsletter. SMS text, I don't even know what you call that, but you want to receive all text messages, you want to receive all emails, and SalesGazer helps you with that. You should still create a burner email to just get notification from all the websites you can, but SalesGazer, when you are starting, at least help you stay organized. To create an account is totally free. This is one of the things I check. I also check my burner email, so I created an email address just to sign up for the newsletter. Do it, you're going to receive coupon. And you should also set up a catch-all email. We'll talk about that in a future video. What I'll do also is I look at Rakuten. First thing I look at is the 2x cashback stores. If I can line this up with a promotion that is currently going on, plus a gift card deal.
Here comes the money!
Here we go, money talk.
What I do as well is I go to the hot deals tab. When I am inside that tab, I go down a little bit and you can see basically the top deals. There is something going on with Dick's, Sporting Goods, the same thing, 60 to 80% of men's clearance. So whether you are reverse sourcing, using Tactical Arbitrage, using Tactical Expander, using whatever software you want, this is the first thing you should do because you should plan your day. What are you going to source? Where are you going to look at? And yeah, there's a lot more way to find deals. I'm not going to list them all here. You can just start with that. Burner email, burner phone number, Rakuten, top cashback, check them all. You're gonna find stuff, and just with those three you can start making money. So once again, what I'm looking for, what sales are currently going on what website, is there extra cashback on some website. You can also look on your bank portal or your credit card portal. You don't have to look at Rakuten for that. Look everywhere you know that you can get cashback. And lastly, third thing is I look at gift cards. You can check giftcardwiki.com, you can check raise.com, card cash. Is there any website where the cashback is higher than usual? If that's the case, if you can get all three, if you can hit the trifecta, that's perfect. That's what you should target first. As a beginner, you have less capital to spend every day, okay? Maybe you are starting with 1,000, maybe you are starting with 5,000, but personally, I need to spend more money daily, so I cannot wait for those deals to come by. If you are just beginning, you can maybe wait and increase your return on investment, but I'm trying to spend way more money every day, so for me it's a little harder. If you are beginning, you can wait until you find a great deal like that. That way the chance that your price tank will be way lower. Way lower. Let's start sourcing. I'm going to open one tab with Amazon. I did my homework, so I know that there's a promotion going on Walgreens on vitamins. So I'm going to open walgreens.com. I'm also going to open this spreadsheet. By the way, link in the description if you want this spreadsheet. I will send it to your email. So this helped me calculate my exact product cost. I am also going to use SellerAmp. to calculate my profit when I'm on the listing. So here's Seller Amp. You don't have to use it. It's a paid software. I mean, you can get a free trial, whatever. Just look it up. But I'm not going to use. I mean, I'm going to use Seller Amp, but you don't have to. You don't have to pay for Seller Amp to do that. You can just get this free calculator with amzscout.net. Just look it up. They have a Chrome extension. I've never used it, but I think it's I found that for you guys. And if you don't want to spend money, you may go with that. There's a buy one get one free right now going on Walgreens.com. I'm going to open it. Buy one get one free is 50%, and there's a 20% on for new customers on Walgreens.com. If it's not 25, I believe it's 20. I don't remember correctly, but we'll call it 20 for now. I'm pretty sure it's 20. So in total, it will make 60% off on the product. We have 420% of cashback going on right now. Yeah, I think it's the most that we can get. You can get 420, 4.2% cashback. There's no gift card, and I actually have a credit card with 2%. Right now, I just got approved today. So this is what we're going to use. So let's look at the first one. So what I would do, like when I'm manual source, I just look at every single product from the first one to the last one. Okay, and I go through all the list. And we just found this product. Let's check if it's profitable. We can get it for $10.99. Okay, after all promotion. It's gonna be, we can get it for $4.43. And let me check if it's the same size. 100 tablet, 500 milligrams. 500 milligrams. 100 tablets, so it might be a really good deal. Well, first product we found, so I will not have to record for too long. We can get it for $4.43. Okay, let's check now. $4.43. Here you go. Free lead for you guys. I mean, Amazon may have the buy box. Yeah, Amazon has the buy box. This is Keeper. We'll make another video on it, but this is what we use basically to look at this. You don't need it when you start. I mean, you do need it. I don't know why I say that. You do need it when you start, because this is one of the most important piece of software you can use in your business. And let's check. Amazon has the buy box 99% of the time, so this would not be a great product actually. And let me see if you cannot compete with Amazon on this one. So yeah, it might have been a good product if Amazon was not on the listing, but Amazon is on the listing, so we're going to move to the next one. And we are going to start from the beginning because I just chose one randomly. What was the name? Multivitamin for her. So what I do is I just typed the name of the product. That's pretty much it. And this is all you're gonna find. So you're gonna find a match, okay? So there's 90 cap inside it. This is the 60 count. This is the 90 count. It would be crazy if the first product in the list is actually profitable, because that will show you how doing your homework and making a daily target list can really help you. So it would be a free lead for you guys, and I just closed my spreadsheet to make the calculation, and I didn't even notice. $13.99. So we get it for $5.64. Let's check. $5.64. 100% return on investment. So, as you can see, the first and the worst thing is that I skipped this product and I wanted to skip it. But free lead for you guys. This product is profitable. It looks like it's constantly selling for $14.99, so it would be 51%, but right now it is selling at $18.25. Here you go. Free lead for you guys. So this is how you would do it. This is how I do it. This is what I do every day. I also use software, but I source manually every day, just like this. So as you can see, the process is really easy if you do things the right way. Try to be structured. Try to make things that make sense, and this is how you do it, and try to implement these techniques every day. Just do the daily target list. Keep working on it a little bit every day. Keep improving every day, and you'll make profits. You'll make money, and you'll be happy. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, just like the video. That would help me a lot, and I would appreciate it a lot. Any suggestion, leave it in the comments. And it was nice to talk to you guys today. I'll see you in the next one.